Hello everyone, my name is Loma. I'm a digital engineering student studying at College of Computing, Prince of Songkla University. So today I'm going to be presenting you my experience, cooperative education at iCONEXT. So let me first thank my Ajahn Kunjari Tantayakun for being my Ajahn supervisor. Next, as you can see in the table of content, I'll be first presenting about my company information, work details, system design and implementation, and also work performance summary and conclusion. So for the company background, iCONEXT is an IT and software development company that provides enterprise solutions, IT system consulting services, in general IT services that you can think of. You can basically think of iCONEXT. So here in the company culture, as you can see from the photo, don't worry, I got permission from my seniors. So basically, iCONEXT, from what I gathered, has a calm, collaborative, and professional working environment with teamwork, and I get to continuously learn using agile-based development practice. So for the company location, it is situated in Bangkok, in the Dindang location. The good thing about this place is that it is directly connected to MRT, so you can basically get to MRT and then directly come out from Thailand Cultural Center, and you'll basically be at the place, at the RS Tower. So as for the work position, I worked as a junior software developer. My assignment includes developing the Easy Approved Workflow Management System manual, design the landing page for work Easy Approve system, and then lastly, fix bugs related to e-training issues. So basically, I work with two systems. One is Easy Approve and the other is e-training. As for the work period, I worked starting from 12 January 2026 to 8th May the same year. Total of 17 weeks. A day I start from 9 to 8, or I mean 9 to 18 in the evening to work. I work on site Monday to Wednesday and work at home Thursday to Friday. As for the work plan, and at the start, I get to learn React, TypeScript, and Spring Boot for the projects, because the projects involved needs me to use these things that I have not learned. And from work week 4 to 13, I create in-system manual for Easy Approve system. And then week 9, I design Easy Approve's landing page. And then week 9 to 17, I fix e-training bugs and find issues. I'll talk more details in later with images. So for work processes, basically the development process generally consists of the requirement and task discussion. I talk with my seniors. Then system workflow study, so I get to study the system and how it functions. Then I start developing the front end and back end as the discussion, the requirements, and we test and debug the code and review and revise some of the problems that we see in the later stage. As for the work experience and benefits, I get to learn many hard skills. I get to use Git in a collaborative team environment, gain experience in using React, TypeScript, Spring Boot, and SQL. Soft skills, I get to improve my communication skills within the development team and improve my time management and plan out my task better. As for system design and implementation, it uses it is very conventional. It's just the front end using React, the client send in requests to the server, and the back end use Spring Boot to handle the client's requests and then send back data from the database through the internet or API back to the client. The system, this is what I created. It's a user manual. It is basically designed like a FAQ. For those of you might know FAQ if you've used those before, where it lists a bunch of most frequently asked questions. So my task is basically to create a website page for the system so that when people ask frequent questions, and they can basically direct them to this page, so they don't have to always ask for employees or customer service all the time about random questions that may already be included on this user manual page. As you can see, inside of the page itself, say how do I use search function, I write down how to use search function in each individual menu with screenshots and direct explanation of the detail page. So as for the e-training system, last one is the easy approve. This one is e-training. As for e-training system, there are many bugs. So e-training system is a system where it is an in-house system for employees to request courses and courses they want to learn from outside or inside house, whether it be like Skill Lane or like Coursera and stuff like that. So they request for wanting to learn certain things, and then they request through e-training system. So inside of the system, there are many bugs, and my seniors would sometimes send me screenshots of what is wrong. And in this case here, as you can see, apparently this button should not be here. And so I have to figure out what logic went wrong inside of the system and fix it. As for the work performance summary, I successfully developed a complete user manual for Easy Approve workflow management system. I forgot to tell you about the details of Easy Approve. So basically, Easy Approve system is a system for approving forms and creating forms within an organization. So Easy Approve system just help manage that workflow, that system basically. As for next, I also successfully designed the Easy Approve landing page and successfully fixed 75 issues in e-training system. Now, we also sometimes have meetings. Most times we do it in person, but sometimes we do it in online using Microsoft Teams. So just showing you some of the behind the scenes. So problems of obstacles I face, the difficulty sometimes I have a hard time understanding large existing code base from my seniors because they don't comment. They don't comment on a lot of the things that they create. So I have to figure a lot of the stuff myself. And so that takes some time and wastes a little bit of time. Now, there can also be some misunderstanding on what is the expected behavior inside of the system. Sometimes my senior communicate with me, and sometimes I understand them wrong and ended up causing a little bit of an issue, but it's not a big deal because we can fix it. We can communicate later and fix the issue later, but it can also waste time, so it does happen. In conclusion, I gained valuable experience in software development and teamwork at iCONEXT. I learned to use many hard skills and also many soft skills. I also get to develop Easy Approve system manual, fix bugs, and hopefully better prepare myself for my future careers. Thank you for listening. So basically, these are the photos of, so we celebrate a little bit going to restaurants for, before my senior leave and also myself. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. And also at the Songkla, I get to wear the flower. My senior gave it to me because, well, to be festive and, kind of bond a little bit. And sometimes they also give out snacks like chocolate droplets and stuff like that from time to time. So yeah, I had a really fun time there, and thank you very much for everyone for listening. I hope this has been insightful for everyone. Thank you and goodbye.